Good morning, dear student. Today we will study chapter 7, Helen Keller exercise. Please pay attention to understand it. Okay, dear students, a synonym. Okay, a synonym is a word that means the same or the same as another word. Dear students, synonyms means the same word or the words same as another words. Okay. Now we see some example. Leap means jump. Leap and jump are the same, and jump is another word. But meaning is same, but word is another. That is called synonym words. Start and begin. Start and begin are another word, but meaning is same. Okay, start means and begin means the same meaning. Okay, in this way, finish and end. Finish and end meaning is same, but words is another. So that is called synonym words. Now we see exercise. Exercise A. Pick out the word which is not synonym. We have to pick out the word which is not synonym words. Okay, let's see. Happy, glad, gloomy, joyful, merry. Okay, there are happy, right, glad is also right. Okay, joy is also right, merry is also right. The synonym who is not synonym word? Gloomy. Gloomy is not a synonym word. Okay, glad, happy, joyful, and merry are the synonym word. And gloomy is different. Okay, so we'll write here gloomy here. Okay, we can write here gloomy, here gloomy. Got it? Now the second line, straight, aligned, continuous, zigzag, direct. In this word, straight, right, aligned the same meaning, continuous is same meaning, and direct is also same meaning. What is different? Not synonym. Not synonym is zigzag. Okay. We have to put out zigzag. Okay. And right here. Right here. Okay. In this way, third question: blurred, bright, dim, faint, unclear. Okay, blurred, right, dim, right, faint, right, unclear, right. These are the synonym words. Okay, now the other word which is not synonym is bright. Bright is a not synonym word of blurred. So we write bright here. Now question number 4. Energetic, idle, passive, inert, static. Okay. Energetic, right, idle not, passive not, inert not, static is also not. Okay. So idle 1, passive 2, inert 3, static 4. So 4 words are not synonym word with energetic. So we will write here 4 words. Okay. And now see fifth number. Huge, minute, diminute, small, tiny. In this line, all are not synonym of huge. You will pick out this, also pick out this, also pick out this, also pick out this. The 4 words are not synonym of the huge. So we will write here 4 words here. Okay. Dear students, I have explained this exercise. If you feel any difficulty to understand it, you can contact me without any hesitations. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.